what's up? It's Hungry D here. I just want to do this video. This is a tribute to my fan, Shannon from Boston. She just sent me a freaking bacon pizza because she heard that I hadn't eaten yet today, and she knew that I needed some calories. Look at this shit. I think it's like triple bacon or something. I'm gonna write a fucking song about it in a bag. Let's see what's in here. I didn't even look yet. Oh shit, dog. We got fries and... Oh damn, yo. We got fries and ketchup. Two of my favorite things ever. Damn, shit won't fight, man. Oh hey. Camera ran out before. But I just wanted to get down to this pizza. Say I'm gonna listen to Wu-Tang, smoke some shit, and this one goes out to Shannon in Boston. #1 fan, yo. Hungry D, I'm out. Fucking calories, yo.